that somebody was asking me if I can trade a balance less than 200. So you'll see for yourself the trades being placed on each line, and the EA will be managing the profit in closing automatically, and then let's see how it performs. If you want to know more about this EA, you're welcome to join my live or the Zoom that I'm going to have on Friday. If you like my videos and subscribe to my channel, you stand a chance to be in the live session in which I'll be teaching you how to code, how to create an EA like this, what determines where to open the trades, what candle pattern is it following to open the trades, and the price action, how everything is working on this EA. I'm going to show you everything on the live YouTube video that I'm going to do, or on the Zoom that I'm going to have with people that will have liked and subscribed to my channel. Remember to send me an email so that I can be able to send you the invite to my Zoom, or the live trading session, or the live that I'll be explaining how things works. Okay, so now we're standing on balance of 164. You are welcome to catch me or to find me on my TikTok channel, Oros131. My YouTube channel is Oros Robotic Forex Trader. You'll find me there. You'll see some of my videos that I've already uploaded. Videos also on a live account that I've been running the EOs on. Let us watch and see if we'll be able to meet the target of 215 or 200 and above. Let us see. We're standing on a balance of 165. Like, subscribe to my channel, and you stand a chance to join me on a live video in which I'll be teaching you how to code, what strategy I've used, why price action, why candle pattern, why all the things that I've used in order to make this EA becomes more profitable and with less drawdown. Let's see. Those who would like and subscribe and send me an email to my channel stand a chance to be able to be with me on a live video or Zoom session that I'm going to create on Friday. When you email me, just subject line, just say like and subscribe, then I know that these are the people that falls under the category of people that I should invite or I should include on my live video or live session that I'm going to have with you guys. We're standing on 188, 200, 250 target. Like and subscribe to my channel, stand a chance to be with me or to join me on a live video in which I'll be teaching you the strategy, what makes the EA opens trades, why candle patterns are used, why price action is used, why lines are used. I'll be able to explain everything about the EA, teaching you from scratch how it's trading, what is going on from the background of it as it's placing trade. I'll explain everything on my YouTube channel. Like, subscribe to my videos. Send me an email with a subject line, like and subscribe, then I know I'll need to add you into my group or to my session in which I'll be explaining how the EA trades. Like, subscribe to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is Oros Robotic Forex Trader. My TikTok channel is Oros131. Like and subscribe to my channel. Follow me. Follow me. We're standing on 189 from a balance of 150. The target is 200 or 215. We'll see where we will end. like and subscribe to my channel. The target is 250, 215. We will see where we will end. 195, 195, 195. Like, subscribe to my channel. $195. $212. You're welcome to join me onto my live session that I'm going to have on Friday. Send me an email with the subject line like and subscribe, then I know I need to add you onto my live session. It's either I'll do a Zoom or I'll do a live YouTube in which I'll be explaining to you guys how the EA is trading, what makes it place the trade, why candle pattern, why price action. I'll be explaining everything about how the EA is trading. Okay, this is the end of the video. I'm going to pause it.